Okay, I'm back sooner than I thought I would be. Fab is live. Go to fab.com and you'll get everything that used to be Unreal Marketplace, Sketchfab, ArtStation. I don't know who knows what else they bought in there, as well as obviously all the Quixel Megascans. And the best part about it is you can get all the new Quixel Megascans with one click. There'll be a button to select it. You just go claim all of them and you own them all. And some of them are absolutely fantastic. They have environments that just look phenomenal. Everything is great. There's just a whole bunch of different environments, and some of them should allow you to very quickly level up your prototyping or your creation of cinematics, trying to produce realistic scenes. It's just excellent. So I highly recommend you go check it out. Additionally, if you make a purchase of $25 or more, or publish a listing to sell something on there, they'll give you 6 months of Substance Painter and Substance Modeler for free. That's amazing. Lastly, you go check out all the assets that are there, but if you want to go check out the free stuff, I would do it based on each subheading, like environments. I'd go here, go to price, select free, and there is some really phenomenal stuff here, like Windy House, for example. This is an architectural visualization, but look at this thing. It just looks real. It looks fantastic. It's absolutely free under the Creative Commons Attribution license, which means you just have to reference that you used this asset. That's all. And otherwise you get to use it. There's so much more on there. I'm going to stop this video short now because obviously everyone needs to go spend several hours digging through this amazing launch. Thanks for watching and see you next time.